Hello class. This week we're going to be talking about narrative writing again, and I wanted to go over our writing vocabulary with you guys one more time. So a narrative is a story. So whenever I ask y'all to write me a narrative, it should be simply you say, oh, she just wants me to write a little story. Characters are the persons or animals in the story. The setting is when and where the story takes place. The plot is the conflict, events, and resolutions in the story. So every story that you write for me should begin with some kind of problem or something that's happening, something that's going on. You can talk about the characters. You can explain what's kind of happening in the story. And then the events are just the things that happen in the story as you're writing. And the resolution is how you wrap it all up and end the story. And every story has a beginning, middle, and end. So the beginning is the very first part of the story, and that gives you all the background information. When you're writing a story, let's say you're going to write a story about you and your dog. You would start off by saying, oh, my name is Miss Torres, and I have a dog named Lily. And then you would just write on about your dog. The middle is where all the main things of the story happen. And the end is when you're just wrapping up the story and you are coming to a conclusion and ending the story. So those are three important parts to remember when you're writing a narrative. The beginning, the middle, and the end. And right here on this next slide in your assignment, it says write a personal narrative about when something funny happened. And all that means is you're going to write a story. Remember, a narrative is a story about some time in your life when something really funny happened to you. And if I was going to write this story, I would write about this summer when I went to SeaWorld with my grandson. And we were walking, and I would start off the story in the beginning by saying, me and my grandson Jet went to SeaWorld this summer. And then I would just talk about all the events that happened at SeaWorld. A narrative needs to have a lot of details. I tell you that it was so hot that day, and of course we were social distancing, so we had to wear a mask, and it's hard to walk around SeaWorld with a mask on. And we rode this one ride, and I said, please don't let me get wet. Please don't let me get wet. And guess what? I got soaked from head to toe on the ride. So my clothes and shoes were wet all the rest of the day. But it was actually ended up being kind of nice because it cooled me off. But I can put all the details about the things we saw at SeaWorld. We saw the whales. We saw the seals. And then the funny thing that happened was that I got drenched on a ride. All the water just dumped right on my head. And Jet thought that was so funny. He laughed and laughed. And then you can wrap it all up by saying, so we had a great day at SeaWorld, and then we went home and we were so tired, we ate dinner and went straight to bed. So that's the end of my story. So the beginning can tell about the characters, when I was talking about Miss Torres and Jet, and the middle tells everything that we did at SeaWorld. And when y'all write narratives, I want you to give me lots and lots and lots of details. Details are so important. Tell me every little thing that happened. That just adds to the story and makes it so much more interesting. I could tell y'all everything about what we saw and what we did at SeaWorld and then wrap it up by talking about how tired we were when we got home. And that would be my little personal narrative about something funny that happened to me. So I want you guys to write me a really, really detailed narrative. Include all the details you can think of about something funny that happened. Let's say you were walking down the street and you tripped and fell down and you rolled and did a flip and everybody was laughing. I want to know all the details about where you were, how hot it was or cold, were you by yourself, did you have friends, did you have your dog? Just think about all the details. That's what makes a narrative so interesting, all the details. So I can't wait to read about the funny things that happened to you guys. Good luck.